champion breakfast. We have here chicken and chips, coleslaw, my signature sauce, coffee to wash it down. 2 chocolate cupcake on the side. Compliment Sweet Temptation by Darius Mulchan. You can pre-order cakes and floral arrangement for Valentine's Day also. Let's see how this goes. Chips and signature sauce, fried chicken and signature sauce, have to try some of the coleslaw. Good mix, tasty food. Coffee to wash it down. Time to try this chocolate cupcake. Sweet and chocolatey, very creamy and delicious. More coffee. Going on good, going on good. Good food, good food.